something amazing that I'm going to be opening. I have not been able to find these at any store in the United States, and I took advantage of the Formula One summer break to order something awesome from across the pond. Hello to all my friends everywhere else and here in the United States. I picked up a 2024 Topps Turbo Attax Formula One starter pack. What? Oh my God. We race as one, folks. We race as one. This pack. Look at that. 10 euros. Or pounds sterling and euros, right? Official Formula One. I didn't want to get it from somewhere else, so support the Formula One. Liberty Media needs all the money they can get because they just bought MotoGP, recently, right? So buy your shares of all that stuff, folks. This Turbo Attax official Formula One trading card game 2024 includes the starter pack. 20 cards, one giant card. Who's it gonna be? 32-page binder, collector guide, and a game mat. It also will be guaranteed to include a Max Verstappen Orange, and look at this, Oscar Piastri Emerald. There we go. Lewis, Checo, Daniel, Carlos Sainz Jr. Love Carlos. All right, let's check the back of this. Celebrating 5 years of F1 Turbo Attax, published by Topps Europe Limited. All right, this featured in the starter package shows you all the stuff on the back here. And it tells you about all the other stuff too. The starter packs, the card packets, the mega multi-packs, the mega tins, the value box, a 5-fold tin. Wow, I haven't seen that around. But let's dig into it, guys. It's fun to be back from the summer break. And it's fun to see what's going to be in the starter pack. All right. Here's the pack. The box, bag. It has 2 packs in here, and it says Topps. Recycle me. I'm paper. All packs should be like this, guys. Our giant card. Oh, I love this. George Russell. What? Yeah, George Russell. I'll put some close-ups so you can probably see this one right here. All right, George Russell, hero. Love this. Here's our binder. It's just a clear plastic binder like you get at Office Max, but it has card pages already installed into it, or not installed. They're melted, bound in. Here's our game mat. This actually might be more fun than the Match Attax baseball. Here's your map, or your game board. On the back here, oh my God, the F1, F2, F3 checklist. So you know which cards you're gonna need. Love it. What's this? Super speed your collection. Another checklist just on this page this time, so you don't have to flip the board over every time. 2023 stat attacks, pole positions, podiums, laps race. Oh boy. So this looks like, I don't know, another checklist and a stat attacks. Maybe that's useful in part of the game. I don't know. The game has a rule book. It tells you what's in there. Drivers to watch, limited edition, signature style parallels. Oh boy, you will get to see everything in the Turbo Attax collection, or portions of it, inside here, including Captain Fernando Alonso Kimoa. I love Fernando. Let's see what else. Oh, the limited editions. Emerald, Opal, Orange. This is pretty sweet. Diamond, Platinum, Papaya. Papaya? I didn't know there was an R on papaya. but I learned about the R, so I appreciate it. And drivers to watch in 2024. Lando Norris, yes, that was a good one, right? Alex Albon, sticking with Williams. Good job, Alex. Daniel Ricciardo. Danny Rick's awesome. Good job, Honey Badger. Always love watching him race, but we don't know that team, Visa Cash App Red Bull, is still has an empty seat as of right now. Victor Martins. Oh, this is going to F2 stuff even. Ollie Behrman. Ollie Behrman's with Haas coming up in 2025. Yes, he's one to watch. Wow, good stuff. And the competition. How to enter, win an awesome Lando Norris sticker. Very cool stuff. Parallels on orders. What do we get in the packs, folks? Let's open the big one first. So this is supposed to be the, threw that on the ground. 20 cards, right? And then this is the limited editions. Well, I don't know. Let's see our cards. Here's our pack. Easy to open. Topps, take a cue from this packet. It's probably cheaper and better for the whole world than all the plastic in them wrappers. Just saying. Charles Leclerc, public service announcement. Sticking with Ferrari next year. It's Matthias, a hero card. And we're going, what, F2 on this? F3. I have not seen any F3 stuff. But I've seen a lot of this guy. Sprint Superstar, Max Verstappen. I love Max. I hate the sprints. I don't hate them, really, I guess. More like, really? But you gotta put all of it on for a show, right, folks? Lando Norris. Love Lando. What a fun driver, right? F3, Rodden Motorsports. It's Callum. Turbocharged. What's this? F2, Dennis Hauger. These will all be useful for the game, right? Do any of you play this game? Would you be interested in playing this game? I am. Epic Moments, Logan Sargent. From the Formula One Grand Prix. Austin, 2023. Well, he's not coming back next year to F1. Poor Logan. He tried. He did a good job. Here's another Logan Sargent. The American Dream. Was he, though? Was he, though? I know he was with Williams, but Carlos Sainz just signed with Williams, and Alex Albon's doing great. So, I don't know. Oh, Team Duos card. I love this one. It's Valtteri and Zhou Guanyu. Valtteri Bottas. If you don't watch Valtteri's Instagram and Facebook, you are missing out on so much. Actually, the entire Steak Kick Sauber online presence is freaking awesome. Good job, guys. We're playing F2. Team Principals. Everybody's favorite team principal, Christian Horner. Right? Everyone's favorite? Maybe not, but you know, it's Christian Horner. Christian Spice. Superstar, Oscar Piastri. He definitely is a superstar. What an awesome showing from him. Signature Style, Carlos Sainz Jr. This one's rad. Look at that. And not coming back to Ferrari next year, but going to Williams. Love that card. And the last one in the pack, McLaren Formula One team. It's a McLaren team card. What's in our special pack? I don't know. Let's see. This one's supposed to have the Max and Oscar. Yeah, Max Verstappen Orange. Parallel-ish, right? It's the Max. Oscar Piastri Emerald. Do you want any of these cards? All for sale and trade after I get my collection done. Yuki Tsunoda. Love Yuki. Here we go. Lewis Hamilton. Oh, the champion from many, many years, right? But we'll be with Ferrari next year, not Mercedes. Good job, Lewis. Franco from F2. And the last card in the entire starter pack, good weather for a duck, public service announcement, Valtteri Bottas. Thank you, Valtteri, for all of your fun comments. There you have it, folks. I hear everybody say folks a lot, right? There's our starter pack. Guess what? If you thought this was a cool way to end the summer break, because we're in Zandvoort right now, I've got something else special for you. I didn't just order a starter pack. I ordered a mega multi-pack. I ordered a mega tin. I got another mega tin, the other one, and I got this, the little pack. So stay tuned for more videos. In fact, I'll put one of them right here. And I'll put another one. I love you, everybody. If you want to trade for any of these, if you want any of these for your own collection in any way, contact me and we'll trade. I love you, everybody. We race as one. Bye-bye.